Nina cannot complete the review pay work item and wishes to give it to Max to complete. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about stateless reallocation, the ability for a resource to reallocate a work item that it is currently executing to another resource without retention of state. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. So here we have stateless reallocation. We start the flash animation and Nina does part of the review pay work item, and then Nina cannot complete the review pay work item and wishes to give it to Max to complete. And then this work item is now given to Max. And he restarts it from the beginning, so the state is not saved, and he executes the work item and then completes it. In YAWL, we can implement this using a task privilege called Allow Work Item Reallocation with Retained State. In order to use this privilege, we also need a user who is in a position where others report to him. Okay, so here we have three windows. The editor on top with a specification with just one task, review pay. On the left we have Max and on the right we have Nina. And Nina has already the review pay work item started here, so she can open the work item and then enter some different data here. And then she can save the data. And now she goes here and she has a privilege called reallocate stateless. So she does that. And then she chooses Max here and reallocates it statelessly to Max. And Max can now open this work item. And you can see here that this is the original value. So the state that Nina has entered, or the different number that Nina has entered and even saved, is not preserved because this is stateless, and this returns to the original value then. And then Max can complete the work item. Note that stateless reallocation can only be done with started work items. Here you can see that this resource pattern has a direct implementation in YAWL. Thank you for watching.